Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to transfer CapCut project from mobile to PC. So let's get started. Firstly, open the CapCut on your phone and simply tap on any project you want to uh, transfer to the PC. There are three dots available right on your project and simply tap on it and you will get to see upload space option available there. Simply tap on it. After you tap on it, it will be saved in certain folder in your CapCut and you can easily access it through your PC. So make sure that you both have same account in both PC and in mobile. So what happens is it is saved in a folder in CapCut. So if you don't have the same account in both PC and the phone, then you won't be able to access this project file. You can also do auto upload mode on, or you can simply do individually select the project to save. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.